Is your Blink camera showing offline in the app? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the most common reasons and the fastest fixes to get your Blink camera back online. The first thing to check is your internet connection.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
If your Wi-Fi router is offline or unstable, your Blink camera won't be able to communicate with the cloud. If your camera is too far from the router, a weak Wi-Fi signal can cause it to disconnect. Move the camera closer or install a Wi-Fi extender. Blink cameras rely on lithium AA batteries. When the batteries become weak, the camera may appear offline. Replace both batteries with fresh lithium batteries. Next, check your Blink sync module. Make sure it's powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Restarting the sync module often fixes connection issues. Remove the batteries for 30 seconds, then reinstall them. This simple restart clears temporary connection problems. Make sure you're using the latest Blink app. Updating the app and allowing the camera to install the latest firmware can solve many connectivity problems. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button until the LED starts flashing, then add the camera back to the Blink app. After following these steps, your Blink camera should reconnect and appear online again. If the issue continues, contact Blink support because the camera may have a hardware problem. I hope this guide helped you fix your Blink camera. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more security camera tutorials. Thanks for watching.